Newsbreak coming in that Akhilesh Yadav will, after all, be contesting in this election and will be filing his nomination from Kannauj tomorrow at 12 p.m. SP's Ram Gopal Yadav has confirmed here on India Today that there's no confusion in the party. Akhilesh Yadav is going to be contesting elections. Earlier, Akhilesh's nephew was fielded from Kannauj. So it looks like there was back and forth essentially within the Samajwadi Party camp. But now the confirmation coming right here on India Today that Akhilesh will be filing his nomination tomorrow from Kannauj. Okay, so Akhilesh Yadav are all set to contest from UP's Kannauj, and this does come as a big news break considering that just a few days ago you had confirmation coming in that Akhilesh's nephew will actually be contesting from Kannauj. But Ram Gopal Yadav confirming right now on India Today that he is in fact going to file his nomination papers tomorrow. Let's get you that reaction from Ram Gopal Yadav.
They cannot cross 200. 200 पार नहीं जा
200 पार नहीं करेंगे,
नहीं कोई सवाल।
लेकिन सर जो मैनिफेस्टो का सवाल लेकर के प्रधानमंत्री कह रहे हैं कि वेल्थ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करेगी,
कोई मैनिफेस्टो। अच्छा, उनके झांसे में 15 लाख के झांसे में एक बार तो जनता आ चुकी है, बार बार नहीं आएगी।
अच्छा सर, एक आध सवाल और है।
हाँ।
ये बताइए कि इस बार आप पर आरोप पर है, समाजवादी पार्टी पर आरोप है कि उन्होंने जो टिकट दिया है सिर्फ अपने परिवार को दिया है, और पांच अगर आपने यादव उतारे तो सिर्फ अपने परिवार को उतारे।
जहां हमारे उम्मीदवार जीत सकते हैं उन सबको उतारा है, हमने तो पीडीए के लोगों को उतारा है।
तो इस बार क्या आपको लग रहा है कि नए तरीके का ये आप लोगों का समीकरण है?
जिस तरह की बात है अब
All right, let's get you Samarth Srivastava on the phone line with more details on this. Samarth, it looks like it's a U-turn being taken by the Samajwadi Party. Tej Pratap Singh Yadav was announced as the candidate, Akhilesh Yadav's nephew. Now it looks like, based on pressure from the Samajwadi Party leadership urging Akhilesh to contest, he's decided to go ahead and do so.
Well, exactly. We have got to know that now Ram Gopal Yadav is saying that Akhilesh Yadav will be fighting. Though the air was saying that Akhilesh Yadav will be fighting since yesterday, when the local leadership of Samajwadi Party in Kannauj stressed Akhilesh Yadav and stressed on the point that Akhilesh Yadav must fight from here to defeat Subrat Pathak, because Tej Pratap Yadav's name was not announced earlier, and later on suddenly the name got changed to Tej Pratap Yadav, and that's why the local leadership of Kannauj of Samajwadi Party was quite upset with this particular update. Later, the same unit went to Lucknow and met Akhilesh Yadav for the same, while Akhilesh Yadav in a way green signaled the party unit in Kannauj that he may fight from the election from Samajwadi Party. Though no official confirmation came from the party, but now Ram Gopal Yadav on camera accepting that Akhilesh Yadav will be fighting. It's a big thing, and we can expect now that tomorrow at 12 p.m. Akhilesh Yadav will be coming to Kannauj to file his nomination and will take on Subrat Pathak from Kannauj.
Okay, all right, Samarth, thanks for getting us those details. Akhilesh Yadav will be filing his nomination from Kannauj tomorrow. So a U-turn, a backtracking of really the SP's earlier decision of fielding Akhilesh's nephew.